Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Vivienne. I'm the business software coach. If you are the first time here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell. Every week, I will record a weekly inventory video like this to share with you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channels and hit the notifications bell. Okay, let's start our topic for today, type of inventory. Every company wants to have a zero inventory, and they have the idea of holding no inventory. In theory, this means only having inventory needed to meet specific customers' order, just in time. But in practice, those managers discover that you do indeed need inventory. Zero is not the answer. The key is to manage your inventory to the lowest level as possible while still meeting your customers' needs. And the first step to managing inventory is to understand the different types of inventory. Because all inventory is not the same, you want to manage each type in a slightly different manner. And there are 4 basic types of inventory. First, the cycle inventory, which is the inventory needed to meet customer demand. And there are 4 categories of cycle inventory, each requiring a different approach to inventory control. The first category is the stuff you buy from supplier to make your products, like raw materials, components, and sub-assemblies. This item can be quite expensive, so you don't want to hold excessive inventory. However, you also do not want your factory to stop productions because you ran out of these resources. So it is important to find the right balance and to constantly re-evaluate this level. Second is work in progress inventory. It's also known as WIP. WIP is a factory inventory that's in the process of being made into your final product. Products that are partially completed. You operate your factory as efficiently as possible so that your WIP inventory is maintained at the lowest level possible while still delivering orders on time. The third category of cycle inventory is finished goods. This is the most expensive inventory you can hold because all of your manufacturing costs are now reflected in the value of your completed products. So, inventory management at this level is especially critical. This is where forecasting demands play such a critical role. The better the plan, the lower your finished goods inventory. The last category is maintenance, repair, and operating supplies, and this often referred to as MRO. For the factory, this includes everything from machines, oils, and wipes to repair parts for equipment. Standard office supplies are in this category also. Most of this is routine and inexpensive, so most of the companies do not hesitate to hold additional MRO inventory to ensure operations continue smoothly. The second type of inventory is safety stock, and is applied to each of the 4 categories of cycle inventory. For example, you may hold additional finished goods inventory just in case demand for your products increases unexpectedly. Or you may hold additional raw materials in case your primary supplier is late with delivery. Safety stock is based on your analysis of risk. The third type of inventory is in transit or transportation inventory. This includes supplies that are coming into your company and products that are being shipped to your customers. Sometimes it makes sense to ship this inventory slower at lower cost, and other times fast delivery is the right approach. The last type of inventory is anticipation inventory. Coordinating with your marketing departments, you often will increase inventory before a big sales campaign. Or perhaps you make a seasonal products like ski apparel. You make the inventory in advance of the winter season in anticipation of increased sales. Timing of production cycle is very important here. One important consideration of inventory management is the locations of your suppliers and your customers. Inventory management is much more difficult when suppliers and customers are scattered widely around the world. Coordinations and communications is the key. Partners is important to having the right inventory in the right place at the right time. Using your understanding of the different type of inventory, you can begin to analyze how your company uses different approaches to inventory management. I recommend safety stock as a good place to start an investigation. That's all for my sharing today. As always, if you learned something new in my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. My name is Vivienne. I am Business Software Coach, and I see you in my next video.